There's nothing or nobody that I respect more than the men and women who serve in our military, all branches. But at the top, we have a giant military-industrial complex that's built on a big giant wall of money. And the reality is, this is happening all over the world. The Russians have the same problem, the Chinese have the same problem, the Americans have the same problem. You name it, any country that has a giant military is running into the same problem. And that problem is, we're not going to be fighting wars anymore with these ships, or with tanks, or with manned aircraft even. We're certainly not going to be sending troops in. Just look at the way the war is being fought right now. Over in Gaza. Just flying missiles in, blowing stuff up, blowing people up. And then the enemy is doing the same thing. Same thing is happening in Ukraine. Problem the government has is how are they going to back out of all this stuff? They really can't. It's very hard to dismantle something so enormous that employs so many people and makes so many people extremely wealthy. So they start these wars all over the world. They're all in on it. Every one of them are in on it. And you know what? They give you this story that they're protecting your country. Protecting your country. From who? Most of the problems we have in this country are from the people within, not from anybody outside. And as far as protecting borders, well, how's that looking out for you? Doesn't seem to be going very well, does it? Look, I love the military. I love the men and women of the military. But the military-industrial complex is a bit of a sham, folks. And the sooner we wake up and figure out that technology is taking over, not these people who are basically just robbing your taxpayers' dollars to keep this little game going. Anyway, you tell me what you think, but I'll tell you what, I'm tired of making big corporations tied to the government bigger and more wealthy. Yeah, they employ a lot of people, but that's coming to an end too. Tell me where I'm wrong here.